Hello, and I finally want to introduce you to smart scripts. What are smart scripts? Simple. Right now, the way personalization works is either we do website, LinkedIn, backlink, Google, or any of the other options we have. But with smart scripts, you can essentially bop across all of these. You can decide the direction, the order, the priority. And I'll show you how that quickly works. Click on smart scripts, click on a new script. As soon as you've done that, you'll see that we just have two options right now, but we're obviously going to be adding more and more and more as the product grows and matures. You're talking a couple of days, depending on when you watch this video. So I want to maybe do LinkedIn, then website. So what this means is you'll personalize based upon their LinkedIn. If nothing in the LinkedIn works, then we'll go to the website. Great. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to upload a CSV over here. All right, so I've uploaded the CSV, and for those who might ask what exactly is inside the CSV, in this case, it's basically the website and LinkedIn. You can name these titles whatever you want, bananas, apples, doesn't matter because we'll ask you to go ahead and map it anyway. So sweet, you're going to go and click on continue next. Once you've done that, because the flow is LinkedIn, then website, you're going to go ahead and select the priority in which you want. So in this case, I want recommendation first, but whoops. Our app does let you go ahead and do personalization based upon recent activity. So I want to personalize based upon recent activity. If that doesn't work, I want you to go to their recommendations, then bio, then job description. And the mapped URL is basically going to be LinkedIn, which is a column that's based there. Now, you might make a mistake and you might actually not upload LinkedIn and whatever. You might even forget LinkedIn. That's why I give you an easy option to re-upload the file. Once that's done, you can click on Save Generate, but it will tell you, hey, you're missing the website files, and that's perfectly fine. In this case, I want to go ahead and personalize based upon the news, then the website. I don't want to worry about case studies and blogs because I know the companies I'm targeting just won't have that. So I'm just going to click on website. Once that's done, that's all there is, and click on save and generate copy. You can name this, whatever you want, my cool script. Click save, and that's all there is to it. All right, so the outputs actually come through, and I really like some of the things it's generated. It's actually found an article over here about the cannabis usage in America, and it's referenced that particular article written by a company that's YouGov. Then Asana, it's mentioned how they're now the most welcome product for distributed teams. It's also read into how Stripe is now partnering with ARIA systems, and it's complemented them based on that. So hyper personalized, really personalized information that you can go ahead and get some ridiculously good open rates and reply rates. And also with Anna's profile, I really like this because Anna basically put a post up recently about how she's running a survey and she wants to go ahead and help people on a webinar about some feedback that she's looking for. She's actually mentioned that. It's also said that when you said you're going to reward people with an Uber gift card, that's actually great. And even a backup line saying, I saw a recent post about the importance of delivering content to any device, and I couldn't agree more. As an principal to know how to deliver content on any device, just not desktop, because she was actually referring to a headless CMS. So we can actually go here and see what we're referring to. So you can see it's actually referring to a headless CMS point that she's made. She's actually said, hey, by the way, if you go to the webinar, we'll give you $50. So over here, say, yep, here you go. I think it's a great idea, especially when you mention that the webinar will reward, blah, blah, as well as the point that, hey, in case we're not going to talk about the webinar gift card, we're going to talk about this. When you reference something so unique and personalized based upon what they recently wrote, the response rate is ridiculously high. We've seen people get almost 95% to 99% reply rates. It's ridiculous. So there you go. The magic of this product is now you can bob across different functionalities and options, and you can choose what you like. And yes, you might ask the question saying, all right, what if I want to do this again? How does this work? It's actually really straightforward. So the way that would work is quite straightforward. The next time around is whatever I named this was called Showcase Smart Scripts, and you will just have that priority set through. The optionalities and the order and the preference will all be saved for you. So there you go. I hope you enjoy this feature and make a lot of money. Have a good day.